welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you guys so very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to try to, I've been trying to, as much as I can, maybe, I don't know, maybe not a lot, but I'm trying to bring you guys some fun things, some different things. Today, I thought I would share with you all, in case you were curious, some different ideas for yarn bowls. This is the yarn bowl that I have. I have been holding my hooks in it just because, and my super cool pin. No need to take that out, I suppose. I don't know why I took that out, but anyway, but it sits up here for like in the background for decoration. But it has a little zombie. This is Good Things Crochet. It's not a hobby, it's a post-apocalyptic life skill. Truth. So this is my yarn bowl. I do use it, don't get me wrong. I haven't used it in a little bit because I haven't really been using scrap yarn. Whenever I do, I use that. Otherwise, I pretty much, just use the skein and my yarn bag. But for Friendmas, I use that. For Crochet-tober, I used that. For family blankets and for things, fun stuff. Okay, so I do like to use yarn bowls. I also have a plastic tub, which I talk about here in a second, but like a plastic container with some flowers on it and some little holes in the side. I've used that before. I will try to find that video and link it below where I discuss that, using that as a yarn holder. I scoured Pinterest and found a few fun ideas, kind of did another voiceover type thing to just give you guys some ideas. The photos in the voiceover are not mine. I did not take them. They are not mine at all. That's mine. The video that hopefully I'll remember to link below, that I find anyway, to link below. And the pink thing, that's mine. Also, I was going to mention like coffee containers, like plastic Folgers or what, not to name drop. Anyway, but yeah. But like plastic coffee containers, you could put a hole in that, use that as your yarn bowl, or you don't even, you just take the lid off. You don't have to have the lid. But anyway, there are a few different ideas, so okay. Here are those, and I will talk to you guys in just a second, I guess, so okay.
Okay, so these super cool tubs are available at like Dollar Tree and Walmart and things like that. You can poke your yarn through the side or lay it like they are, sideways like that. You could also put them like vertically, I suppose, and pull it out of the top or out of the sides of the handles. I've shown you guys this before. I had a pink bucket from Dollar Tree that I did this with. It's very handy. Okay, here's another one. They just took like a knitting needle and put through the middle of their skeins and draped it over the side. This is kind of like the one that I had from Dollar Tree, except I poked it through the sides like the previous one, but this also works. It's a fantastic option for like $1. Come on, Okay, even cheaper than $1, probably a bowl you already have somewhere in your cabinet, and perhaps a paper clip that you have in there as well. And so you can just pull your yarn right through the middle of that and ta-da! DIY yarn bowl. It's pretty cool. For the crochet or knit on the go, they have these cups, probably Dollar Tree. You probably have one in your cabinet right now. I know I do. So you just pop it in your cup holder with your yarn and away you go. That's, don't crochet while driving, but otherwise, go for it. Okay, so this is another one, like a laundry basket or just a Dollar Tree basket type situation, kind of just like the other one with the knitting needle and through the side, but it's just a good, easy, cheap, once again, DIY type yarn bowl, something you can throw together. You probably have most of the things for it, kind of like this one. You could even use a big, huge laundry basket, say you're making a giant blanket, just a regular size laundry basket. If not, I know they have those at Dollar Tree. Okay, so to the left, there's an egg carton. In the middle is a paper towel holder, and on the right, it's like the little cup, like for kids snacks, like baby snacks. I'm going to baby in a minute, but anyway, all super good options. I like the paper towel holders. I think that one's pretty cool. You can just like poke it through the middle. For the eggs, I'm sure you'd have to poke holes in that, but still, all good ones. A colander. I feel like we pretty much all have a colander. Maybe not quite this fancy, maybe not quite this pretty, but I feel like, why not? Okay, there's, on the right is a CD holder, like the old ones, the two in the bottom ones we've already seen, and then there's just a box that they put something through. There's, to the left, the one we've already seen, and the middle is just like Tupperware, and they've poked holes in that. I mean, yeah, why not, Okay, it's just a regular open tub. Paper clips all around it, not paper clips, but those one thingies all around it, and then you can pull your yarn through, which is really nice too, I feel like. So I liked this one. I thought this was cool, kind of like the other bowl, but multi-purpose. I mean, if you're a new mama or a grandma, or you just have these, why not? You know what I mean? Just for your wipes. I don't have these, but it's one of those things like, hey, that's a pretty good one. So yeah, DIY. Okay, here's the CD container up close, just in case anyone still has CD containers. We do, but probably not everybody. But yeah, just drill your hole in the top, or get a screwdriver and hammer it in if you don't have a drill, and there you go. Put your yarn in there. Get to crocheting or knitting, This one I think is super cool because it's just a plastic tub. Obviously the same thing, holes drilled in the top, but it has a handle. You can carry it with you, y'all, if you need to go somewhere. Ta-da, you know what I mean? I think that's pretty neat. So, personally, I liked this one. This one was hilarious. I giggled. So, if you have extra toilet paper roll, or, roll holder, I suppose, that you're not using, spray paint it, make it cute. So, yeah, there you go. I mean, you can put yarn on anything, it just goes to show. Or you can make your own. This one is a sewn one. I mean, it just basically has a hook, and you put your yarn through it. So pretty much anything that has like a hole that yarn will go through, I feel like I feel like that's a yarn holder, So, but yeah, you can sew it, or crochet it, or knit it, or whatever you are into. But just as long as it has little holes on the side, then pull your yarn through there, and there you go. I mean, that's really all a yarn bowl is, right? It's holding yarn, pulling it through the side. Options are endless, people. Options are endless. It's exciting. Okay, this one I thought was cool. It's like a Clorox wipes thing that they decorated. Always a fan of decorating things just because. And then you can pull your yarn through it. Same thing, you could also drill a hole in the very tip top, or you could just, put your yarn in there. For most of these, I feel like everyone's probably pretty aware. You may want to, wash them out and stuff first before you put your yarn in, just because, yeah, ick. But anyway, it's a good one. Okay, here's the egg container up close, and then the, little other things we talked about earlier, the food thingy and the paper towel holder. I'm trying to think what those little food thingies are called, just like little banana biscuits. I don't know. Okay, so here is a paper or a cloth tub that you would get at, say, Dollar Tree once again, and just has the holes on the side of it that you would use for decorating. But how cute would that be on your whip cart all set across there with your different yarns on it? You could get really stylish with that one, I'm just saying. And this one, I'm not sure what type of clips these are, like some of you may know, but I thought this was cool, just around the basket. You can just put them on there and use any basket you already have, and then just pull them around. I mean, maybe that's what they are, just yarn holders. Perhaps it's an Amazon find. I don't know, but I thought it was neat. And this one, once again, if you're, just on the go, say you had a Slurpee earlier that day, once again, be sure and wash it out, but look how easy it is. You just use your icy cup and pull your yarn through the top, and just like that, an hour later, you have a hat. It's a good one. Okay, this is like a giant cheese ball container, or, for cheesy poofs or whatever. This is something that I put my yarn balls in. I roll them all up, but if you don't want to do that, you can also cut holes in it, pull your yarn through the top, and tie your skeins vertically. That's pretty cool. I liked this one too, the oatmeal one. I thought that was pretty smart. I don't know, once again, be sure and wash that one out because oatmeal dust, but either way, I thought that was pretty cool. Just cut your hole and pull it through the top, and why not? Same thing, why not? So, 2-liter bottle and put your yarn in it. I feel like that's a definite wash it before you go. Okay, so another 2-liter, and then the super cute glass basket, and I have several of those. Never thought to use it for yarn, but hey.
So I hope you guys got some sort of ideas from that. I don't know. I just thought it would be kind of fun, kind of jumbled some together. The toilet paper one just made me giggle. It's like, I mean, why not? You know, it's at your height. You're sitting in a chair, it's perfect. I thought the one said and I said Dollar Tree, and I think like the one towards the end with the brunette in it, that's like kind of the pink plastic canvas one with the hole in the side. I think I've seen those at Dollar General. But either way, I thought those would be cute, like on your whip cart, like I said, just, you know, decoration things. I don't know. Maybe no one gets anything at all out of this. I'm not sure. Maybe one person does. Maybe it's just entertaining, some of the things. I don't know. But yeah, you can make a yarn bowl out of anything, you know, if you want to. I have a fuzz on my nose. But be like Bewitched. If only. Oh, life goals. Like Samantha, and just wiggle my nose and clean the whole house. But anyway, sidetracked. But yeah. So I thought I would just share some different fun ideas with you guys. I hope you enjoy them. I know it's kind of, you know, whatever, but I just want to share fun tips and ideas with my friends. If you guys have any other things that you use that you would like to let anybody know about, please leave them in the comments so that you guys can, you know, Linda Richmond Coffee Talk it and talk amongst yourselves. I'll talk to you, don't get me wrong. So if you guys want to, you can, like I said, Linda Richmond Coffee Talk amongst yourselves down below, and I will listen and to all of your input and things that you guys have. So, all right. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe. And, oh, very quickly, see, I keep almost saying goodbye and then I remember, but just a few more days until the end of the month. I have several crochet and tells at this point. Thank you all. If you guys would like to send those in, it's stitchingandeasy42@gmail.com. All lowercase is my email. You guys can send your photos too if you would like for me to add them. Please give me, like, you know, if you want to, like the pattern, yarn, hook or needle size or whatever that you used, or like I said, if you paint, whatever you want to put in there. But I have several things. I've had so much fun with them already. You guys are so talented. Oh my goodness, my wish list is growing, so thank you. So all right, so I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.